Can't get the break. Let's go to work with mommy. What's that making that noise? Your straws fell out? What straw? How'd your straws fall out of your cup? Maybe we should tell our followers why we're taking kids to school today. How about we see what causes a 2-hour delay right here? That causes a 2-hour delay. Right. I don't know. There's nothing on the road except for a hard time for moms and dads. When you go to school, everybody really lives pretty close to that school. So to start school at 11 a.m. and expect parents to get to work at noon, I do not know how parents keep a job. And then the school makes you say you're sick today because they don't give you any other options. Like, you inconvenienced me like a effer, and here we are. No, I hope they don't expect a doctor's note because they didn't have an other option. Yay. Can't have a 2-hour delay.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Pennsylvania 23 West.
Every other week, closures, and then there's nothing on the road. And because elementary school starts later, you guys don't start school till like freaking almost lunchtime. Let's reiterate. There is no snow on the road.
Continue for 13 miles.
The thing that blows my mind is first the schools think it's okay to record you in your own house and then totally make you feel like you're crazy, and then they close school every single week because it's wet. So I think they should start calling them wet days. Nothing. Might as well make people laugh, right?